Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, my name is Melissa and I do beauty related videos. So I've noticed that you guys really like my lip gloss videos and me DIYing it and the base and all that. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make another lip gloss. This is going to be a tinted lip gloss. I'm going to try to make it as opaque as I can because I just want to test it out. So I got different lip gloss tubes. These are the ones I got. The little squeeze tubes. So you're gonna need squeeze tubes. You can get these on Amazon. I'll leave a link down below. I'm not affiliated or anything like that. I don't get paid if you guys click on it. So you're gonna need lip gloss tubes. You're gonna need Versagel. You get this from tkbtrading.com. I'll leave the link down below. You're gonna need a syringe. You can also get that on Amazon. Gloves, because this is not just gonna be for me. I will sell the extra ones. I'm only gonna make 3 today because who knows if it's gonna come out good, right? So I'm just gonna put my gloves on. You're also going to need pigment. So I get my pigment off of tkbtrading.com. I'm not affiliated with them, in the sense that I don't get paid for, you know, telling you guys about where I get my stuff from. And I don't mind showing where I get my stuff from. So you're gonna need, hold on, popsicle sticks for mixing. The pigment, these are the pigments I have. I have a lot of colors, like a lot. This one I got from Amazon, I believe. These are all cosmetic grade pigments. So I have a lot of colors. Up is focusing. I have a lot of colors. I'm not sure what color I'm going to do today. I think I'm going to try to make an orange. So I say you need to, these are the tubes I got. It was $15 for 80 tubes. Make some space. You're going to use pipettes because you're going to use these to put the product into the tubes. I already say you need the syringe, gloves. Make sure everything is sanitized, especially if you're going to sell this. If you're planning on selling this, sanitize everything. I sanitize everything. Like, even if I'm not going to sell it, I still sanitize it because that's just who I am. I like everything to be nice, clean, sanitary. You're going to need scissors. I don't know if I mentioned that. If you want to make a lot of lip glosses, you're going to need TKB oil fusion or any kind of oil you want to thin out the product. But the reason why I like TKB oil fusion is because it also has the preservative in it. So, and then any flavoring you like. I have vanilla. I don't know if it's going to focus because I might be too far away, but I have vanilla. I also get that from TKB. And I think that's really all you need. Oh, mixing bowls. I have little cups right here. So I have pre-mixed lip gloss base right here. All I did was add the TKB gloss, the Versagel, and then I added, oh, it smells so good. I added vanilla flavoring. I added the TKB oil, and that's all that's in this right here. That's all that's in it. So I'm gonna choose a color. I don't know what color I'm actually gonna go with. Let me see. I want it to be very pigmented. I also have the liquid colors, but I'm not going to be using those today. So let's try to pick a color. I have a lot of pigment. I mean a lot of pigment. First, I actually need to buy some more glitter. I ran out when I made all my lipsticks and lip glosses. You guys can purchase lipsticks and lip glosses down below. It'll be in the description, my website. Also, I'm going to be listing the ones I make today. So, but the ones I make today are going to be very limited. I'm only making 3 colors of whichever colors I make. So right now, I'm going to get a popsicle stick. I'm going to get the base, the gloss base, a pre-made one, because I don't want to waste, you know, color. I'm going to drip it in. Like I said, make sure everything is sanitized, you guys. Oh, look how cool. I'm gonna put a good amount since these are 8mm bottles. I'm actually having labels made. They actually got mailed out today for my lip glosses, so I will be having labels on these. Okay, so I forgot my scoops. I'll just use a little popsicle stick. So I'm gonna go in with my clementine, which is this pretty orange color. And just like, this is why you need gloves, you guys. It just got all over my hands. Okay. So I'm going with my clementine. This is what it looks like. That should be enough since this is a small batch. And then I'm gonna go in with white cotton. I need a yellow. I didn't want to have to go in with true yellow. Cause I'm trying to make like a peachy color. Last time, the first time I started making, I'm gonna use the other side of, no, I'm gonna use a different popsicle stick because I don't want to mix the colors. The last time I made my lip glosses, so this is white cotton. Like I said, I'm trying to make these opaque. It is a little batch, but I'm gonna put a lot of pigment. So that's white cotton. And I dropped, okay. And this is red number 4. Do I want to use this one? Actually, I might just use the red lake dyes are actually kind of harder to mix in. So I don't know if I'm going to use that red one, but I am going to grab, I think I have a red in here. I think it's like red orange or something like that. You guys, I read off the, yeah, red orange, that's fine. Well, that's kind of pink actually. It says true red orange, but doesn't that look pink to you guys? Like, that's how it looks in real life. It looks pink, right? That's fine. I'm gonna use a little bit of this, and then I'm gonna use a little bit of true yellow. Because like I said, I'm trying to go for like a peach color. Slowly open this. I don't want this spraying at me. I'm just gonna use the same one since I just used white. Just get a little bit of yellow. Because these are really pigmented. I mean really pigmented, you guys. The true colors from TKB, really pigmented. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of red orange. So I'm trying to go, I haven't used this color yet, so let me see if I can open it. Most of these are brand new. Okay. Slowly open it because I don't wanna, come on. Okay. Slowly. I don't want to get pigment everywhere. Alright, let's go in. I'm gonna get like that much. Very little bit. That is a lot of pigment for this little batch that I just made. I might actually, do I want to? I think I actually might just use this whole base and make a lot more. I'm just gonna, I'm gonna dump this into this. Just give me a second. Yeah, I'm just gonna do that because, I actually did use a lot of pigment. It's all in here. Look at that. That's such a pretty orange. Look at that, you guys. But yeah, okay. I'm just gonna take my glove. No, I'll take another popsicle stick. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna test the color on me. See how it looks. I'm really dark, so I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see it. Oh, there's some color. That's what it looks like. I think I need a different color mixed in this. Let me think, you guys. I want it to be like a lighter peach. So I think I need to add more white. I'm starting to think this is pearl. Look at that, you guys. I'm gonna add more yellow because I want to be more on the yellow side than orange. I wish I had glitter. That would be so pretty, but I think it'll look good just like this also. Oh, that's so pretty. I feel like we're missing a color. What? I know you guys, down in the comments, what color do you guys think we're missing? So pretty. Maybe I shouldn't have added so much pigment, but it's fine. It's gonna be pretty either way. Super pretty. Let me test that color out. That's the difference. That's the new one. That's the old one. The new one looks more yellow, of course, and this one looks more... What should I do? Let me think. Should I add pink? Just a little pink. Let's get... I'll use Happy Valentine, this pink. I'm literally just gonna add a little bit because I don't want to like change the whole color to it. But like, there we go. I'm just gonna add a little bit. I'm not gonna show it, I'm just gonna add it. No, you know what I should add? The Gemma or Genma. I don't know how to say it. Where is it? This right here. I'm gonna add this. Go in. That's the new color. Look at that. Perfect. Look at this, to this, to this. Alright. Now what I'm going to do is get my syringe. And now I'm going to get a pipette. I'm going to cut this part off. It's just the bottom. Come on, scissors. Okay. And then I'm going to cut this part off. Which is the tip, the skinny part of the tip. I'm going to use this hand because, like I said, I don't want to get anything dirty. Okay, I put it on the end of it like this. And I'm going to get some tape. And I'm just going to tape it on like this. I'm not touching any part that's going to come in contact with the product and all that. I'm going to take the stopper out. Okay. Stopper's out. And then I'm going to place it in. I could just try to pour it in. I don't know how that'll work. Let me see if I can pour it in. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Just pouring it in. Slowly but surely, it's going. It's actually going pretty fast. Oh my god, this is gonna feel like freaking probably 20 tubes. Okay, I'm gonna stop right there. That's a lot of product. It's like filled up to like right here, like more than halfway. So now I'm gonna get my thing. Okay. Okay. This is coming out the tube. I'm going to put it all the way at the bottom of the tube and go from side to side. This is my first time filling this kind of tube, so I'm pretty sure it's easy. I wish I could get it on camera better. Let's see. Ooh! That was an air bubble. I'm gonna clean off. I got like a bunch of product. That air bubble was like poof. Okay. And I'm just gonna keep filling. That's enough. No, let's put a little bit more. Okay, that's full. And now I'm gonna put this down. Remember, since I took that glove off, I'm not gonna come in contact with the product with the hand without the glove. So I'm gonna put this on. It's on. And now I'm gonna put the cap on. Look at that. Come on, focus. Look how pretty that color is. If you have a name for it, comment down in the comments down below. But yeah, that's how you make lip gloss. I showed you everything you need. Like I said, all the links will be down below where you can find everything that I used today, except the little solo cups, because that I bought at the Dollar Tree. If you guys like these kind of videos, let me know down in the comments. I'll definitely make more. This is so fun to do, you guys. This is like such a pretty orange. I love like peach. Look how pretty that is. Focus, camera. Come on, come on. Look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. I don't know how many of these are gonna fill, but I will list these on my website, so you guys could go purchase them. And when you buy them, you will get the label. It'll say Primrose Cosmetics, and it'll say lip gloss. Like I said, I have a bunch of labels coming in the mail currently. I'm just gonna fill these. You guys can just watch me fill them if you want, if that's your favorite part of the video. I was going back and forth. Oh, these are so pretty. And these are 8 milliliters. These will be $5 each. So let me get some more tubes, because I'm gonna have to fill a bunch more. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe down below. I know you guys love the lip gloss videos, and I like making them. And like I said, let me know down below. Rewind the video back if you need to. Let me know what color you guys want me to make next, or which colors I could combine and make next. I'm gonna be coming out with so many lip gloss videos, you guys. The crazy colors, fun colors. I'm gonna be designing the little bottles, like, just, yeah. So subscribe. I love you guys, and thanks for watching. Bye.